Hi, this is Dr. Arne Strasser, and these are class notes to accompany the class Tai Chi For Wellness. In this class, we are learning the 24-move Yang form of Tai Chi, and this is the third class notes. We emphasized today the importance of relaxation, the importance of moving from the hips and moving with the whole body. We emphasized how many circles occur in the Tai Chi movements. And we also emphasized how important it is to be patient and not to get frustrated. If Tai Chi was easy, as I've said before, it wouldn't be half as much fun. Tai Chi is not that easy, but once you learn it, it's really great. So hang in there and be patient. In today's class, class 3, we did quite a bit of review, and I can go over that in a minute, but we also learned a new form, a new step. Grasp the sparrow's tail. A really nice move. And this comes after repulse the monkey. So we've done repulse the monkey, and we've ended up in this type of posture. And then what we're going to do is we've done 4 of repulse monkey, and then we're going to come around, do our T-step and make a circle. We're going to step out, heel, toe. We're going to bring this right hand down and then bring this left like it is a hinge in a controlled fashion. Then this right hand's going to come underneath and it's going to pull forward. You're going to shift your weight to the right. Then we're going to take this right and press it against the left, push out. Then this right is going to go over the left hand, at which point you know you're going to be lifting the left heel, and then you're going to make a circular move like this, okay? Let me do it from the back and give you a sense of what's happening here from the back. Sorry to give you my back. You know you're doing your T-step and you're making a quick circle, but right away you're stepping out with your left, and then this left hand's going to come across here like a hinge. This is what I mean by a hinge. You're going to go, but not all the way like this, just about halfway, and you can float it a little further up as this right hand comes underneath, and then it's as if this right hand here is pulling the left, and when it's pulled it about to where your abdomen is, it's going to switch, and this hand's going to come like this, going in this direction. This right hand's going to push across here. We're going to push. Then this right hand's going to go over, and then you're going to lift up your heel, and you're going to make a circle here. It's a circle, and then you're going to end up here with a nice controlled ending point. And then you're going to do it from the other side. You're going to turn. Now you're going to make that same T-step. This time your right hand's underneath. You're going to step out with your right, and right away you're going to again do your hinge. You're going to pull your right with your left, then very gently now you're going to push here. This is going to go across here. You're going to lift, and you're going to make a circle, and you're going to come around here. Okay? Let's do that once again, I think from that direction. And we can do it from the other direction. So remember that you've come out of repulse the monkey, and now you're making a T-step. Remember, you're just making a kind of a quick circle, you're not going to hold that. You're just going to make a kind of a quick circle, then you're going to step out, and then you're going to do the hinge, 1, pull out, 2, shifting your weight to the right, press forward, 3, this goes across, and then the 4th move. So there's 4 moves we're looking at. Great. Now you're going to pivot on this right, this on your left. You're going to pivot here, which is going to bring you around. You're going to be making your T-step. Now you've got a circle quickly. Step out, set your hinge, pull back, press forward, and then go ahead and finish up like that. Okay, let's do it from this direction. And let's go ahead and do repulse the monkey, at least the ending of repulse the monkey. Remember that you are doing your play the pipa, and then you're doing that 1, 2, remember that, 3, and then 4, repulse the monkeys. Then you're going to come around. After the last repulse the monkey, you're going to come around and you're going to make your T-step and you're going to make this circle. You're going to step forward, bring this hinge forward. Remember, it's not going here, it's not going there. It's just kind of coming about parallel like this, and then maybe you can do a little more so that this hand can come underneath here. Pull, and then push. Hand goes across, left heel is up. This is like a circle here, remember that, and come around. Then you're going to come around in this direction. You're going to do it from the other side, the exact same thing. This hand comes along here. Remember your T-step here. You're going to step forward, heel, toe. You're going to make your hinge. You're going to bring this back. You're going to push this forward. And as soon as your hand comes along here, you know that you can now lift the right heel up and make a circle and complete your move. And we can see that especially when you're starting, don't worry about how soft things are. You're just trying to imprint these different moves. But you'll see when I do this that we try to be as relaxed as possible. So for instance now, let's say I'm stepping forward and I'm doing my hinge. It's like it's floating, and this hand's going to come down here, and then it's a very gentle move, but it's as if this right hand is pulling, and once it's reached this point, when this comes along here, it's not a rough move, it's a very concentrated move, like this, and then your hand goes across there, which always feels great. You lift that heel up and push. And then, as I've mentioned, you're going to pivot on your left heel. You're going to come around. You're going to make your T-step again. You're going to step out. You're going to make hinge, 1. Remember this, 2, and shift your weight. A lot of shifting of weight. 3, and finally 4. And you're going to lift that heel. And you'll find yourself shifting your weight forward, shifting your weight back, forward, back. That's very important. That'll propel your motion. It's also part of the Tai Chi form to shift that weight back and forth. So that's grasp the sparrow by the tail, left and right. We wanted to just show the hand movements for grasp the sparrow's tail. Remember that it begins with a hinge. 1. Then look, this hand's going to come underneath here, and it's as if this hand is pulling this hand. So it's like pull, 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 pull. That's 2. Then watch. This hand's going to come across here. It's going to push along here in a controlled fashion. Then this hand's going to go over here. And then we're going to come around here. We're going to make a circle and end up like this. Okay? We did do some review in this third class, and I won't go into that in depth, but you remember that I think we all have our preparation down. I can't emphasize much how important that preparation is. I know if I said it a few times, you're probably tired of me saying it, but you really do want to get yourself in a relaxed position, and whichever way you can do that, whether it's progressive relaxation, going through the different parts of the body, but you do want to be relaxed. You want good form. You want these feet to be together. Your hands are like this at the side. Your hands aren't like this, and they're not like this. They're like this. You're in good form that way. And when you do the commencement, you know you're lifting, you're shifting your weight to the right, you're lifting, you're coming down. And as I was saying, it's not like you're lifting your hands like this. It's as if something else is lifting them, lifting them, lifting. And then when you get to about your chest, you're going to sink down. And remember, you're not lifting your hands straight out like this. When you lift, you're going to bring it a little bit to the center, and then you're going to sink. Then, of course, as you know, you're going to do part the wild horse's mane. You're going to do your circle. You're going to step out. You're going to compress your circle. And you're going to do that 3 times as we've shown in the other videos. Then you're going to do white crane spreads its wings, that beautiful move where you're going to be in your open toe. Your right hand's going to come across, and you're going to make that beautiful white crane move. Then brush knee twist step. You know it's got the same footwork as part the wild horse's mane. You know that after you've done this white crane, that you're going to come around this way. And I talk about picking up energy. You're going to pick up the energy this way, and you're going to step forward. And this is the brush knee. This hand comes across as if it's brushing the knee, and you're going to do that 3 times. Then you're going to do play the pipa, where you remember it's like one movement at once. It's not that easy, but you'll get it. You know, you're doing, this time you're doing a heel, and when you do the heel, you're going like this, as if you have 2 discs here, one hand's going up, one hand's going down. And you're doing that at the same time as you're doing heel steps. So you end up like this. Play the pipa. As you know, that's a stringed instrument that is held on the thigh. So you're like playing the pipa. Then I think we all get repulse the monkey. That's one that we reviewed. You want to do that 4 times, and then we'll go into grasp the sparrow's tail. Okay, that's class 3 notes, and I hope they're helpful to you.